Hello children, welcome to our channel Dino World TV. Today you have a muddy ground field with animals, including two very big animals, horse, a parrot, and even Mickey Mouse in the middle. Let's clean them up one by one and learn some facts about each of them. First up, you have the leopard. Let's clean this. Leopard, a agile climber that can drag, twist its weight up into tree to stay safe. Next animal you have is the panda. Let's clean it. Panda have a unique digestive system that helps them process their bamboo diet efficiently, allowing them to eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo in a day. You have the tapir. Let's clean the tapirs. These animals have color pattern that help them blend into their forest homes, providing excellent camouflage. You have is the bison. Let's clean it. Bison, did you know they can run up to 35 miles per hour? That's super fast. Next animal you have is the cow. Let's clean it. Cow with its unique fur stomach, cow can digest hot plant materials like grass with ease. Look, it's the crocodile. Next animal you have crocodile. These powerful predators have sharp teeth and a strong jaw that make them formidable hunters. Now you have the next animal, bear. Let's watch it. Bears hibernate during winter to conserve energy and surviving the cold months without food. Next animal you have is the giraffe. Let's clean it. Giraffe, their long necks help them reach high branches for food and spot predators from afar. And the next animal you have is the elephant. Let's clean it. Elephant, they have complex social structure and can display emotion like joy, grief and empathy. And the next farm animal you have goose. Let's watch it. Goose, the social bird made for life and communicate through hawking sound. Now you have the next animal, camel. Let's clean it. Camels, their humps store fat for energy, helping them survive in harsh desert environment. Next animal you have the zebra. Let's watch it. Zebra, did you know their black and white stripes are as unique as human fingerprints? Next animal you have is the hippopotamus. Let's watch it. Hippopotamus spend most of their time into water and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. And the next animal you have is the tigers. Let's watch it. Tiger, their unique striped pattern help them blend into their surroundings while hunting. And the next animal you have the horse. Let's watch it. Horse, they communicate using vocalization and body language within their head. And the next animal you have is the deer. Let's clean it. Deer, they can leap over 30 feet in a single bound. And the next animal you have is the rhinoceros. Let's clean it. Rhinoceros, their thick skin make them target for illegal poaching. Oh, look who here, Mickey Mouse. Let's clean up this beloved cartoon character, known for his cheerful personality and iconic red shorts.
Yippee! With some good rest, you'll wake up ready for your big day. Okay. We all will.
And the next animal you have is the parrot. Let's watch it. Parrots, these intelligent birds, can mimic human speech and sound from their environment. Thanks friend for watching the video. See you the next video. Bye bye.